Hey y'all, Amy with Deep in the Art Creations here. Today I'm going to be unpackaging one of my Temu orders. As you can see, the packaging is probably where they save a lot of their money. Um, Depending on how much you order from Temu at one time, you're going to get a smaller or a larger package, and they just cram it all in there, which is fine because their return policy is really good. It's super easy to get an item returned or refunded. So that has not deterred me at all. At first, when I first started getting orders, I was like, whoa, look at this packaging. But now I just know. Oh, and look, it even says fragile on it. Let's see what I ordered. You got to be careful cutting it open though, because everything's kind of crammed in there. So I like to cut just a little hole and then pull, so I don't cut open anything that might be important. Okay. I got quite a bit of stuff. Let's see what we got here. And it's all crammed in here, but that's okay. All right. So I got, let's start with this. All right. I don't even remember what this is. Hopefully my husband doesn't watch and notice that. Oh, okay. It says on the package, rabbit ears red, 1 pack. This is not rabbit ears. This is a scrunchie. Oh, I guess they call that rabbit ears maybe. This is a scrunchie with like a little bow tie on it, which I thought was, or like a little knot tied like a bow, which I thought was super cute. I like to wear my hair in ponytails a lot. Quality, I'm not going to say is that great, but you know, if I were trying to wear this out somewhere and look, all fancy or whatever, which I wouldn't be wearing a ponytail if I was trying to look all fancy, I would say no. But it's kind of cute and it's usable. I like it. I'll just trim this little bit off and I'll be good to go. In fact, I'll do that right now. And voila, I'm ready with a little Christmas ribbon, and it's got little snowflakes on it. I love plaid, completely love plaid. So that's that. Okay, another little thing I got here. Oh, yes, this is a little crafty item that I love. I'm very excited to use this. Okay, so this is, I don't know what a technical term is. I'm going to call it a poker. It's a little poker for when you have the glue that dries up. If you use tacky glue and like the fabric glues and stuff like that, you just use this to poke down in the holes. Love that. And then it also has these little toppers, which I'm not super sure about those. I don't know if you put those then on your glue after or what. I don't think they're open. Maybe you can poke that through and then you have a better like spout. I really don't know. I did get it for this though, to unclog those glue things. I don't know about you. There's so many times that I use the glue and I have closed it well. I swear I've closed it well. But I go back and I guess because it's all kind of gunked up there at the top, it just dries. And so I'm looking for, a safety pin, not safety pin. Well, safety pin, I've used those too, but I was thinking of a paper clip, sometimes a pencil, but then the lead sometimes breaks in there, so I don't recommend that. But this, I'm going to use this a lot, and it looks like it's a good quality. It's not super cheap, like it's going to fall apart in the next couple of seconds. So I really like this one. This is a definite go for me. I would get that again. Okay, let's see. Oh, I got some things just for fun here. I am going to be attending an art crafting workshop, one that I go to every year in July. And there's a few ladies that I made friends with at the one this year, and we're all going back to the next one. And so I got some things for that. First, I got these earrings to wear. How cute are they? And I will definitely use them before the conference. Those are super cute. And then I got for each of the girls in our group, because I'll tell you, our conference is going to be in Tennessee, and it's not at Dollywood, but it's close to there. So we're super excited. And so I got these pins. I got a pin for each of us that says, "What would Dolly do?" We are so excited. We're talking about it now. We started this in end of September, beginning of October, and that's when we all signed up for it. And so, yes, we're already getting ready. We're so excited for it. I'm telling you, these crafting conferences, right up my alley. Love them. And I also got these little hotel key things. I'll take it out so you can see. Those pins are great quality. I've ordered a lot of pins through Temu, Harry Potter pins and things like that, because I like to take them to Universal. So their pins are good quality. I have not gotten one that is not great quality. Okay, look at this. Another what would Dolly do? I love these. These are really in style now. This little shape for the keychains, like an old hotel room key kind of thing. And what would Dolly do? Love it. We are going to be so blinged out too. So this seems like really good quality too. And best of all, I love that it's already made and it's glittery. Y'all, here's a little secret. I do not love glitter. I love glitter. I love the way it looks. I don't love to work with glitter because it never goes away. It is always there. If you have used glitter, it will be there for the next 10 years. You can't get rid of it. I promise you cannot. Okay. Oh, and then I got some more earrings because why not? They're there. And I like these too. These are super cute. Some more little palette and some paint brushes. I like that, so it's a little different on each side. Cute. And I like that the little globs of paint aren't all uniform because that never happens. So that I love. That's super cute. Okay, these are all my little Dollywood things. Can't wait. Okay, and then I got some bracelets for the boys for some stocking stuffers. And I'm not worried that they're going to be watching this because my boys don't watch crafting. But, so I got this one, little cross. And it is, I'm going to say about the same quality as what you would get like from Mardel's or something. Much cheaper. But I don't love that when I slide it to open it, it does this. It doesn't slide like the ones I'm used to where it slides evenly. That's not probably a big deal for my boys. They don't care. But anyway, I would buy it again. So there's that. That's cute. And then, y'all, we have 3 boys and our daughter's boyfriend coming this year to Christmas. So I try to get some things for their stockings that I don't like to just put candy in there. And they've gotten old enough that, yes, they get the traditional underwear and socks, and they love that because they don't want to spend their money on that. So, but I like to put fun things in there too. And so I got this little cross bracelet also. I really like this one. It's got a lot of stretch. I'm not worried about it just popping apart. And I really love this cross. I love this one. This one's really good. And then I got yet another. But this one, I got wood beads just to kind of see the difference. It's the same kind of cross. Love that. And it's some different beads in the middle. I really like this one too. It's got stretch, not as much give as the black one, but I really like these. I like them a lot. I'm not worried that my boys are going to just pop them off real easy. Of course, you know, the boys I'm talking about are a little bit older now, so they're not quite as rough and tumble. I mean, we're talking 24, 22, you know. So don't get me wrong. They still play and have a great time, but okay. And then I've got some keychains here. They're all the same. So I'm just going to get one out. But again, for the kids for stockings, I've got this one, I like it. If you'll notice though, it's not on there super great. It looks like it's just kind of been printed on there, and I think I could scratch that off pretty easy. But it says, every day God thinks of you, and it has Psalm 139:17. Every hour God looks after you. 2 Thessalonians 3:3. Every minute God cares for you. 1 Peter 5:7. Because every second He loves you. Jeremiah 31:3. And it's got a cross at the bottom. I do not love the quality of this one. I would not order this one again, but it's cute. I could put in for a refund for it if I wanted to. I'll just kind of, I don't know. I'll decide and see. Probably, I won't. I probably won't put in a refund for that one. Now this one is a little different, and I just have one more thing after this. It's amazing how much they shove in those bags, y'all. Okay, so this one, same thing. It says let God lead, but I feel like it's on there a little better. It's not just scratching off real easy. So this one I feel like has a little bit better quality to it. So anyway, I like this one. Okay. And then the last thing I got, another stocking stuffer for the kids. Since they're all older, our youngest is now 14. And they all have phones. So I thought this might be a fun little thing just as a phone stand for them. Let's see. Oh, there it is. I was like, I knew it stood somehow. So this thing comes out, not very, there you go. And it can stand, but it has this little curvature here for the cord. Now, you can see this kind of coming up. And I can't get that to, oh, there we go. I popped it back down, so that's not too bad. It's a little bit rubbery. This is a hard plastic. They're not super great quality, but I didn't expect them to be. I didn't expect them. They were really cheap. And again, just a little something that the kids can put on their desks at work or at home on the nightstand or whatever. And they can keep their phone charging, but also see it. I was particularly thinking of our daughter who works in an IT office when I got this, and thought, you know what, the boys could really use this too, probably in their rooms and stuff. So there you go. There you have it. That's everything for my order. So thanks for joining me. And if you are interested in trying Temu out, have never tried it before, or if you're a avid Temu shopper, you can check out the link there and go peruse. Set yourself a timer. I can get lost on Temu all day. They have everything. Set yourself a timer. Do yourself a favor. But anyway, thanks for joining me. And if you would like to be notified or keep up with us when we have our next video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. We're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. All right, that's all for today. I'll see you later. Bye.